Hey, it's Sherry Taylor with ATL Clinical Workshop. I got another hand washing tip for you today. So a lot of students are like, do I have to physically wash my hands? Because at my facility, we just use that gel that's on the wall. So my answer to you is, when you first walk in the room, that is your first impression that the patient has of you. If I don't physically see you wash your hands, I don't know that you washed them outside of the room. I don't trust that. And just to get some gel, well, are you really cleaning your hands thoroughly enough for me as a patient to trust you? So, no, you are physically going to wash your hands when you first go in that patient's room. Then, after that, I still cannot give you a definite yes or no that you have to wash your hands or you have to gel. That is a hospital-specific policy. So you need to ask your examiner, what is the policy? Is it a gel in and gel out policy? If the examiner says, yes, you're absolutely fine to gel in and gel out, then all you have to do is wash your hands the first time going in the room, and when your hands get soiled, do you have to wash at the sink? But if they tell you it's okay to gel in and gel out, follow suit. No big deal. But we can't answer that specific question for all of the testing sites because it is site specific. So don't get worried about it, okay? Just learn to open your mouth and ask the question. They'll answer you. Have a great day. Be sure and check out more information on our website, www.atlclinicalworkshop.com.